Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Black Highland Poppy Seed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Highland Poppy Seed is one of the seeds from the Winter Frost Season event. And if you want to get the seed, you need to unlock level 2 in your gardening hobby. Then you can buy the Highland Poppy Seed from Blanks at the Winter Utopia. Okay, and you can get new color by crossbreeding guys. So you need to trigger the crossbreeding. You need to plant your flowers, and then you need to keep watering it to trigger the crossbreeding. And to trigger the crossbreeding, you can also apply the rainbow breeding powder that you can buy from Balance. And here, as you can see, I got my Black Highland Poppy Seed. And for the combination, guys, I combine two orange Highland Poppy flowers. So this is the orange one and this is the orange one. It turns out the Black Highland Poppy Seed. Orange plus orange, and it will create Black Highland Poppy Seed. Or actually, you can also combine pink with pink. I've ever tried it before, but I don't have two pinks here. So yeah, you can try orange with orange to get the black one. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Black Highland Poppy Seed in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!